Hi, beautiful. Do you know what just happened? We have crossed a little milestone. So, here you are in for a treat today because I have recorded a detailed tutorial. The milestone here is that we've reached 2000 subscribers and it is amazing. I haven't been actually very active on my YouTube and I've concentrated only on my Instagram, but now you will be seeing more of me on this channel. So firstly, I've mixed my resin. I've used Joyart resin today and added a little gold foil to it. Here are crispy silica dried flowers that I'm adding, and orchids are very crispy and dried, so I'm directly adding them to my pendant. Now this mold is from Molds and Art Supplies. The link is in the description, so you can shop from there. Also, here I am using the rose bud, but remember, whenever you use rose, never use it directly. Make sure you add it in resin, dip it nicely, leave it for a few seconds, and then add it to your mold or wherever you've poured the resin. What this does is it reduces the chances of air bubbles in your piece. Like this, just dip it and pour your flower, arrange it as per your liking. Now you're watching this random pour today because I've been meaning to design different jewelry range for my brand Resin India that I have been building on Instagram. Here is a bougainvillea. This is book pressed and not silica dried, and you can use any method for drying. Also, I do take a detailed course for drying the flowers perfectly, so in case you want to enroll, DM us on our Instagram or you can comment here for more details. This is again a silica dried flower, and look at the perfect sizing of the flower. Oh my god, I am impressed. And now I'm adding a little bit of other flowers. Here I have some daisies dried, gabrias dried, which I have added, and these are all dried by me. They are not store-bought ones, so you can easily dry flowers at home by following our instructions. There are a lot of free videos also posted on my Instagram, so in case you want to check that out, head over to Molds and Art Supplies or Resin Art India for more detailed flower recordings of drying the flowers. ऑल्सो अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है मेरे यूट्यूब को तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए ताकि आप कोई भी इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो मिस ना करें. आई ऑल्सो वॉन्टेड टू मेक लाइक अ लीफ पेंडेंट, सो यहाँ पे मैंने एक लीफ को भी प्रिजर्व किया है. सो यू कैन यूज़ any kind of elements in your resin and it's gonna dry perfectly, I mean cure perfectly. But remember, it cannot be fresh. फ्लावर बाहर से प्लग करके आप नहीं डाल सकते, उसको ड्राई करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. अदरवाइज मॉस फंगस कैन गेट कॉट इन योर पीस एंड समटाइम्स इट मे नॉट क्योर ऑल्सो. सो हियर आई एम यूजिंग अ रेडीमेड प्रेस्ड फ्लावर ऑल्सो बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू सी हाउ इट लुक्स. यहाँ आप देख सकते हो कि मैंने इन्वर्टेड यूज़ किया है वेन एवर आई एम यूजिंग द फ्रंटल साइड ऑफ द मोल्ड. बाकी चीज़ें आई एम गोना सैंड इट एंड देन पोर अनदर फ्यू लेयर्स. सो यू हैव टू जॉइन बैक on this Friday where I upload the next part of the video. So make sure उससे पहले आप सब्सक्राइब कर लो, नोटिफिकेशन बटन ऑन कर लो ताकि आप कोई भी इम्पॉर्टेंट अपडेट या स्टेप्स मिस ना करो इसके नेक्स्ट फॉलो अप स्टेप्स के साथ. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. मेक श्योर आप 1-2 घंटे बाद में आके इसको चेक करो. और मैंने 3:1 रेजिन यूज़ किया है यहाँ पे बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट द लीस्ट अमाउंट ऑफ बबल्स. ऑल्सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट यू कैन यूज़ टू अवॉइड bubbles. We'll leave that to another day, but thank you so much for taking out time and watching my video. Make sure you follow us on all our social media handles. I've listed everything in the description, and have a good